Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotion by Ellen G. White. We learn to speak the language of Canaan. March 6th. Sitting at the feet of the Master Teacher. My doctrine shall drop as rain, my speech distil as the dew, as the small rain upon the tender herb, and as the showers upon the grass. Deuteronomy chapter 32, verse 2. We are to be witnesses for Christ, and this we shall be when we grow up daily into full stature of men and women in Christ. It is our privilege to grow more and more like Him every day. Then we shall acquire the power to express our love for Him in higher, purer speech, and our ideas will enlarge and deepen, and our judgment become more sound and trustworthy, while our testimony will have more of life and assurance. We are not to cultivate the language of earthy and be so familiar with the conversations of men that the language of Canaan will be new and unfamiliar to us. We are to learn in the school of Christ, yet it is manifested that many are satisfied with very limited experience in spiritual things, for they reveal but little knowledge of spiritual things in their prayer and testimonies. There is less good judgment manifest in matters concerning our eternal interests than in matters concerning earthly temporal affairs. Christians are to be faithful students in the school of Christ, ever learning more of heaven, more of the word and will of God, more of the truth, and how to use faithfully the knowledge they have gained. The chief requisite of language is that it be pure and kind and true, the outward expression of an inward grace. The best school for this language study is in the home. Kind words are as dew and gentle showers to the soul. The scriptures say of Christ that grace was poured into His lips, that He might know how to speak a word in season to him that is weary. And the Lord bids us, let your speech be always with grace, that it may minister grace unto the hearer. When the heart is pure, rich treasures of wisdom will flow forth. This is your daily devotion. Thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.